Hewitt offers 4 styles of stabilization kits. If your dock stands in more than 5 feet of water, you may want to consider a Hewitt cross brace kit to help stabilize your dock. Slip the collar over the pipe and repeat on the other side. Secure the collar to the pipe using the set screw. Now go ahead and tighten down the cross brace to the collar. Repeat this on both sides. Add some downward pressure to the brace and tighten down the set screw. This is the pipe to frame installation. Place the pipe bracket around the pipe. Secure the bracket to the dock frame with the set screw. This is the pipe to pipe quick change video. Place the pipe bracket around the pipe. Pull the brace upward and slip it around the pole. Tighten down the set screw with an Allen wrench. This is the 2-foot pipe to frame installation. Slip the collar over the pipe and raise to the top. Secure the clamp to the dock using the inside set screw. Now tighten down the collar to the pipe. Now go ahead and tighten down the cross brace to the collar. This completes the overview of the Hewitt cross brace kits.